Sanbonani. I hope you guys are good. I hope you're good. I'm in the mood of worship. Welcome to Renaissance Worship TV. My name is Mavui. I bring you once again another vlog, a weekend away vlog. Just packed my bags right over there. I'm not sure if you can see my bags. Yes, just packed my bags. I'm going on a weekend away with a friend. We are going to be. I'm going to be featuring a friend on this vlog. I look forward to enjoying the next weekend with you. Today is Friday. Time now is 1:15. Let me double check. No. It's 13:52. It's 10 to 2. Yeah. So I'm about to leave now to my location. I hope you enjoy this one. No give love who I'll see you at the end, okay? Wow, guys. Wow. Just wow. It's 18:24 and I am still on the road. Actually stuck. The traffic. In traffic. Been in the car for the past 4 hours. Well, it's Friday. What can we do? What can we say? So I am still on my way. I am how many hours? I think I'm 1 hour away from the location, and yes, I can't wait for you guys to meet my friend. We're going to meet my friend that side. So I'm introduce her when she is here. I hope you enjoy this. See you soon. Hello.
Yes, girls' nights has begun. You Friday.
Oh
God, it's in Ntokozo.
Ntokozo. Mama gaya mgelwa.
Kwase kuthiwa emva kwaloko uma ukuthi kuqhubekekile kwathi umaka
Ishithi ndibane ngalezothu.
kodwa elesibili elokuvala kodwa
Umuhle ona.
Thanks friend. Thanks Chomza.
Ratiwe sesiyahamba noma wakho.
Mkhani. Lapha hamba kancane.
Sizofonela sawugeza uyamlukhuzela ama games.
Transferela ama games.
Your nails, Choma.
Yabona.
Gochi. Like when I was like my nails well, like
akufani naloko mina bekiwe futhi wena you've got natural nails. If I could nama I would do with my own nails.
Yabona khamba kancane.
Yeah, so into yena. Ibo sisahamba kude sisakude. Ratiwe. Hamkani bahle la.
Ha, sokuda.
Bada. Ngibavusile.
Ha.
Ay baba.
Say hi.
Hello.
One more time.
It is weekend. Inga is vele.
Yo, Tony.
Friend. Life is too.
And this is crusty.
Lapho ke mina andise hot.
No makeup, what? Nothing. The road was killing me.
Hey girl.
The traffic. To think it's going on in the mood.
Hayi kodwa phela bese estimate ukuthi traffic But bahonile, but bagodukile.
Abanye badli nice time.
Yes, nice time.
Oh, it's dinner time. Dinner time. Vlogging dinner. Oh, sine champagne. It's non-alcoholic, just in case you're wondering. Bazalwane. Bengithi angidlule nje lapha egameni lenkosi. Nga baba. Welcome to our dinner. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh.
You are welcome.
Yes, ma'am. That's the Beyonce. Uyayibuza inhliziyo yami le nsuku. Kumbe ndiwile. So with the Jankolo Malbuso Beyonce. I look so shiny without makeup. You know my makeup free days and I'll look proper tomorrow. So guys, this is my friend. My go-to person.
Yes.
We met years ago. She's gonna tell you. Do you remember when we met? 2014.
14.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sahlangana
Sahlangana egarage.
egarage.
No.
First
meet.
First meeting.
It was
A church.
a church. Kune
Worship night.
worship night. I didn't know her, but apparently she noticed me.
Because she sang. This woman can sing.
So I sang again, and she was saying, "Ngahlala enhlizweni."
And then we saw each other again. I was there because of ZGC. We used to sing in the same choir. Izulan Gospel Choir, a choir that is based at Mbangeni. Yes, so back when I used to live in Richards Bay, I'm talking with my food and my mouth. When I used to live in Richards Bay, we sang in the same choir. So when I met her, you were not a member at that time.
When we met in church,
You were not
I
a
was
member
not
yet.
a member.
And I was a new member. So it was a first gig in choir. Then they said, let's go to the worship night.
So months later, ngafika nami.
Yes.
I was-
When we were preparing for the concert.
Yes. Or I was already a member, but a not active member in the choir.
Maybe.
Cause I was a member via. I was.
You were in-
I was a member via telephonically.
Oh,
You know.
let's get a correction. By the way, I auditioned for the choir.
No, I did, but
Did you audition?
over the phone.
So what was this?
Ask him, because I had to send.
Mina need a proof you audition.
No, I mean I had to. No, you know what happened
Uh-huh.
when our party first told me. Kwakuyi Pasika that year, if I'm not mistaken, or the previous year, 2013, and I sang obviously because Uma is a pastor at Mpati's church.
Okay.
This
thing is Klangen and
Yeah.
Uma. Her mother is a pastor.
Pastor, my mother's
at the
sister.
party of the choir's church.
Yes.
Whatever that is.
Yes. So obviously when I'm there, it's not a matter of do I go to the mic and sing. It's just a matter I see a mic empty, I go there and I start
You
singing.
grab it.
It's not a matter of am I or am I not?
Am I allowed or not?
Whether there's a worship leader, unfortunately, because it's home, I need to step in and do my duties as a child.
Yeah.
So yeah, they saw me worship
The church.
at church, and then when we were eating, you know, this thing of Passover and then sekuyadliwa. So okay, as I was sitting, sekupholiwe, Party Frank comes over.
Okay.
And Mpati Banda comes over as well. And they were like, hey, we're so impressed with the way you sang.
Oh my
We
God.
want you to enter our choir. But already they had known about me because they had done a collab with my mother.
Okay. Your mom
'Cause
sings.
My mother sings. And
Oh, okay.
At that time, my mom was still busy with her album and whatnot. So they had a collab they were gonna be doing with my mom. It's not like a collab for
Why?
for an album or a recording, but there was a show.
Oh, she was gonna be part of.
Yes, she was gonna be part of it. So then you know how mothers are. Mama was like, I have a daughter who sings, so one day, you know, because I was not keen in this choir thing, me. In fact, Nje, I thought my singing was for church only, and then after
Dedicated children of God, serving,
just serving,
you know, serving wholeheartedly.
This thing of being an artist,
I
was never there.
Okay.
My mother had to grill it out of me. Hey, she had to grill it out of me. Even till this day, you know, Guti, I'm fine with being in a choir.
But there's nothing wrong with just serving at a church.
No, there's nothing wrong either. I think I'm those late bloomers.
Okay.
Where I need pushing. In certain things, go die.
Okay.
Because there are certain things I love doing without having to ask, is it right? Should I not? But there are certain things where I am gifted, but maybe because as crazy as I am, I'm also shy.
Yeah, I'm also shy.
I am also shy.
Hard to believe.
Yes. So there are certain things where my mom always has to push me. So, okay.
For you to do that.
In the music industry, she pushed me a lot.
Okay.
So I moved.
Just as I'm about to push you back. I'm going to make her sing during this whole weekend.
God.
I'm going to make her sing. She's going to sing for you. Hence, you have to stick around. Stick around. Watch all of these vlogs. Part 1, part 2, part 3. I'm not sure how long this vlog is going to take, but make sure that you watch all of it. Somehow, somewhere, she's going to sing. Okay? during he did the vlogging.
So yeah.
We're going to do it.
So I also auditioned.
You did audition.
I did audition. Because after the parties
Okay.
had
Had
been
your
impressed with me, I still had to do the protocol. So
Which is
they
good.
gave Smooth my number and we WhatsApped and then I had to send a voice note. Because at that time,
You were not in Bangi.
no, I was staying in Durban.
Okay.
Fortunately for me at that time, I was not working, I was still at home.
Okay.
So it was easy for me to move from Durban to Bangi for that time being. So when I moved to Mpangi, where I realized there's a certain person in Mhlabeni who lives, okuthiwa uMavuyivui. Oh my God.
I'm the most humble person, but she'll tell you.
She's dramatic, but in your first glimpse of her, she's not as dramatic. She's just that lady, who's just observing
minding her business.
And then get into her space. And uzosha.
Yeah, ne? No, it's fine. I guess we'll be back.